What is up, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get unlimited amounts of dice rolls and unlimited amounts of money in Monopoly Go. So as you can see, I will be showing you this on my iOS device, on my iPhone, but don't worry, this will work on both iOS and Android devices. I just currently don't have an Android to show you guys, but as we go along, I'm going to be showing you these steps that are different for both iOS and Android devices. Now, as you can see, I do have Monopoly Go opened up, and I want you to pay closer attention to my balance. Currently, I have 4,000 cash and only 39 dice rolls, which is not a lot. And as you can see, I have the shop open just so you can see how the process of adding money and dice rolls works. So there are a couple of things that you guys need to do before you actually add the money and dice rolls to your account. So let me go ahead and show them to you and show you what you need to do. Basically, guys, for iOS, what you want to do is open up your settings, then make sure you scroll down until you find general. Right here, click on background app refresh, click on it once more, and right here, super easy, make sure you enable either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now for you, this may be even saying Wi-Fi and cellular data. It does not matter, just make sure that it's either one of these two that are turned on and you should be good to go. Now once you've done that, go back to your settings, and right here what you're going to want to do is scroll down until you find battery. And in here, super duper easy, just make sure that low power mode has been disabled. So once you turn off low power mode, the last step in settings is making sure you find App Store, and right here just make sure that you click on automatic downloads and make sure that it's turned on. Once you click on automatic downloads and turn it on, basically you can go ahead and close settings. You don't need them anymore. And for Android, super easy. All you have to do is make sure you disable battery saving mode or ultra battery saving mode. Once you've done both of those steps, you can go ahead and open up any browser that you guys have. For me, it's Safari, obviously. And in the search bar, you're going to want to go ahead and type in dicemod.com. Now make sure you spell the site out correctly, guys. You do not want to misspell it. That's dicemod.com. Click on next, and as you can see, it's gonna take you to this site right here, where basically, guys, you can go ahead and choose the amount of money and dice rolls that you want, and they're gonna be automatically added to your account. Now keep in mind, you can do this step as many times as you want. You can just go ahead and keep repeating it and basically get unlimited amounts of money and dice rolls. So just to prove to you that this does actually work and it's 100% legit, here I'm gonna select 640,000 money. Now it's gonna ask me for the dice rolls. I don't know, I'll just select this amount, 425 plus 1,250. And this is a very important step. Basically, guys, what you need to do is just go ahead and enter your own username. So remember, if you don't know what your username is, click on this button and it's going to show you how you can find your username. As you can see, you click on that and it's going to show you your username. So go ahead and remember it so you can enter it in this site. Now, the last step, guys, make sure you click on whatever device you're using. I'm using iOS, and just go ahead and click on proceed. Now it's gonna tell you the amount of things that you're gonna generate. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on generate, and basically, guys, as soon as you click on generate, it's gonna start loading and it's gonna start connecting to your account. And basically, guys, if it does find your account, it should says like this, and it's gonna just verify. Now here, let me go ahead and show you guys how this looks like once it has been added to your account. Now here, I'm gonna go ahead and open up Monopoly, guys, and as you can see, literally not even a few seconds past, the money and dice rolls will automatically be added to your account. As you can see, guys, it just took a couple of seconds for the money and dice rolls to be automatically refreshed. But as you can see, this is completely legit and it is 100% real. Basically, guys, you can go ahead and get unlimited amounts of money and dice rolls using this website. And remember, you can go ahead and repeat this step as many times as you'd like. So, guys, basically, this is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.